Everyone knows how annoying it is to lose your phone or your keys. Well, today we're looking at a gadget we think can solve that problem. It's this, a pack of Bluetooth trackers by Tile. I'll show you how to use them and whether they're worth it or not. This is the Tile Essentials Kit. In the box you get a Tile Slim, a Tile Mate, and 2 Tile stickers. They are Bluetooth trackers which come in all different sizes, so you can track things like your phone, your laptop, your backpack, or really anything else. The Tile Mate is good for keychains, the Slim is for wallets, and the stickers can be stuck to all other things. In order to use the trackers, you pair them with your phone over Bluetooth. To do this, open the Tile app and press the plus sign in the corner. Select your brand and Tile device, then press the activation button on your Tile. It'll play a nice tune to show it's working. After that, your phone will search for the Tile. Once found, you can give your Tile a name and picture. Pretty simple. To find a lost object, just open the app and hit the Find button. Your Tile will start to play a nice tune. Follow that ring and you'll find your Tile. So one thing that I think is pretty cool about these tiles is not only can you use your phone to ring the tiles, but you can also use the tiles to ring your phone if you happen to lose it. To do this, press the Tile button twice. Your phone will start ringing even if it's in silent mode. As for the distance ranges, the Mate and Slim have a range of 200 feet and the stickers have a range of 150 feet. So one thing you might be thinking about is how long do these tiles actually last for? Certainly you don't want them to break or run out of batteries when you actually need to use them. As for durability, they're made of a strong plastic, so it's unlikely that they'll break, but not impossible. The good thing is that all of the tiles are at least water resistant and the Tile Slim is waterproof. Tile Mate has a 1-year replaceable battery and the Slim and stickers have 3-year built-in batteries. So before I tell you my final verdict, I should also let you know that Tile does have a premium service. It's called Tile Premium and it runs for $2.99 a month. It gives you some extra features like actively notifying you if you leave a tile behind, a 30-day history of where your tile has been. You can share tiles between family and friends, and you can also use your computer to find your phone if you happen to lose it. Now I'd say $2.99 is a pretty steep price for a service like this, but if you're tracking some more expensive objects, say maybe a camera or a laptop, then it could be worth it for you. All right, final verdict time. Should you buy these tile trackers? Well, depends on what you're gonna track. If you're just gonna track like a TV remote and your favorite pair of pants, then it's probably not worth it. But in the age of $1,000 iPhones and expensive laptops, it's pretty nice having that peace of mind. You know, I'm a videographer and I've got a bunch of equipment that I wanna keep track of, so I do think it's worth it for me. You can pick up the Tile Essential Kit for $69.99, but if you think that's too much, you can buy the tiles individually for much less. Hey Gadget fans, thanks for watching. Apple is also reportedly working on their own set of Bluetooth trackers. Comment down below if you'd like to see us review those if and when they come out. See you next time.